back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to view recovery phrase of your wallet in AnCrypto account. First of all, open up AnCrypto application on your device and make sure to log in to your account. After that, at the top left corner of your screen, you can see your profile icon. Click on it and click on Manage Wallet option here. Now, click on the small I button at the right hand side of your screen. You can see Show Recovery Phrase tab. Click on it and type in your 4-digit PIN here. Now, you can see your recovery phrase. Save it somewhere so that you can safeguard your account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.